What sweet dream do you hope to harvest in the future? Again, what sweet dream do you hope to harvest in the future?
Maayong gabi, Dan Kalanon. Thank you for that precious question. As one of the candidates of Lina Isandon Kalan 2025, I want and I hope to harvest respect for everyone, whatever your gender is. Make a habit to respect people without knowing their qualifications, titles, or positions. Thank you.
Do you repeat your question? And your question is, if you could harvest one positive quality from within yourself, what would it be and why? Again, if you could harvest one positive quality from within yourself, what would it be and why?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I could harvest one positive quality within myself, it would be resilience. Early this year, I lost my biggest dream because I failed. And then I stopped. I doubted myself. I discriminate myself. But then one day I realized I am strong and empowered woman. And then I remind myself that whenever I fail, I always remind myself that every day is a new chance to grow, improve, and to get closer to the person I aspire to be. Being the best version of myself doesn't mean being perfect. It means striving to be better than who we were yesterday. It's about embracing our strength, working on our weaknesses, and most especially, staying true to who we are. And for me, that is one of my qualities. Thank you.
You could inspire one person today. What message would you give them? Again, if you could inspire one person today, what message would you give them?
Good evening, everyone. If I could inspire one person today, the message I give them was, believe in yourself no matter what happened. Even though everyone doesn't believe you, you are perfect what you are. You have your own uniqueness and believe that you can do everything with God. Put God in center of your life. That's all. Thank you.
What does leadership with a strong heart look like to you? Again, what does leadership with a strong heart look like to you?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for that very nice and wonderful question. Leadership with a strong heart means that you're leading people with integrity and you are putting first the welfare of the people. A true leader doesn't seek satisfaction in his own, but seeks to amplify those people who rely on them. A true leader with a strong heart listens before they speak, and before they command, they do the action, and they are compassionate even if no one is watching. Because I believe that when the leader's heart are pure, then our people will have a brighter future. Thank you.
Here's your question. How can we cultivate compassion in today's society? Again, how can we cultivate compassion in today's society?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the question. Cultivating compassion in today's society requires a deliberate choice to listen with empathy, speak with kindness, and act with generosity. It's all about serving others with humility, uplifting marginalized voice, and creating space I believe that the greatest glory in living life is not to never falling, but rising every time we fall. That's all. Thank you.
And here is your question. How do you turn setbacks into opportunities for growth? Again, how do you turn setbacks into opportunities for growth?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for that question. I turn setbacks into growth by treating them as teachers rather than enemies, and it helps me to transform obstacles into lessons and failure into fuel for improvement. Thank you.
Your question is, what challenge in your life taught you the most about resilience? Again, what challenge in your life taught you the most about resilience?
Thank you for the question. Ladies and gentlemen, the greatest challenge that shaped my resilience was learning to rebuild myself after feeling completely broken. It taught me that resilience is not just about surviving the storm. To find grace and to solve wisely by a wiser heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Question. The question is, what sweet achievement are you most proud of so far? Again, what sweet achievement are you most proud of so far?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My sweet achievement that I am proud of so far is passing the screening of Clean Eyes Talent 2025. And it's a privilege to me to be part of myself today. And this is my chance to be an advocate for youth empowerment, because I believe youth empowerment is a great aspect in our society, as it